Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete pages on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Google Docs application shortcut from your desktop or open it up using your web browser. Then simply open up the document where you want to remove your pages. Now, once you open up the document, go to the page that you want to delete and then scroll over to the end of the text. Now select all of the text within the page and then tap on the backspace button on your keyboard. You can scroll over all the way to the end and hold on the backspace button until the page is completely removed.
How to use your Google Docs application in dark mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Google Docs application already, then open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device and search for Google Docs. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation. When it's completed, you will see the open button, so simply go ahead and tap on it and this will now open up the Google Docs application. Now once the application is opened up, you can simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and this will show you the Google Docs menu. From this page, simply tap on Settings and you will be taken into the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find the Theme section. Just tap on it and now you can choose from Dark and Light theme. You can choose whatever theme you want by simply tapping on your desired theme. Then it will use your system profile to detect what mode to use. If your device is in light mode, then it will use the light mode, and if your device is in dark mode, then it will also use the dark mode.
How to edit your margins in Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in docs.google.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Google Docs and you will be logged into your account, so you can open up any of your recent documents by scrolling underneath. Now once your document is opened up, there are two ways that you can edit your margins. You can find the ruler option at the top, where you will find two indicators which show your point of margin. You can simply click on this and drag these to the left or right to set up your desired margin. You will find each of these at the left and right. However, if you also want to edit your top and bottom margins, then you will need to use the page setup option. To access this, simply click on the file option and then click on page setup. Now make sure you select apply to whole document instead of selected content so that the margin settings will be applied to the entire document. Now at the right side, you can find your margins. Simply type in your desired margin at all four sides and then click on the OK button to set up your custom margin. You can also set up your margin based on the paper size by clicking on the drop-down menu underneath paper size. After selecting your margin from the drop-down menu or entering it yourself, you can click on the OK button and the margin settings will now be applied to the entire document. How to find word count on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your Google Docs by using your desktop shortcut or the web browser. Then simply open up the document in which you want to find out the word count. Now, since the headings don't include the word count, you can simply go ahead and select the rest of the article using your cursor. After selecting your desired article for the word count, you can simply click on the Tools menu and then you will find word count. You can also use the shortcut from your keyboard by entering Ctrl-Shift and C. Once you click on this, you will be shown the total words. As you can see, the two words in the headings have not been included in the word count. You can also check on the box which says displayed word count while typing so that you will be able to see your word count as you type. How to use voice typing on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Now once it is opened up, go ahead and open up any document where you want to perform your voice typing. I'm just going to open up a blank document And now let's get started with the voice typing. In order to enable this, simply click on the Tools menu at the top and then click on Voice Typing. This will now open up a small microphone where you will see that you are being told to click to speak. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Just go ahead and allow access to your microphone, and now we can start. And as you can see, whatever I am speaking is being typed in the document in real time. You can use this feature to type in your document without moving a single muscle, apart from the muscle within your mouth. How to listen to your text on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from your desktop application shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up the article which you want to listen to. Now once you open up your document, in order to listen to your document, you will need to install an extension. In order to do this, simply click on the Extensions tab at the top section and then click on Add-ons. From the Add-ons page, click on Get Add-ons and then simply search for Text-to-Speech. From there, you will be able to find various text-to-speech applications, so go ahead and select either one of them and click on the Install button. You can then scroll through the Continue button and then allow access to your account. And now the extension has been installed. You can close this menu. And now if you go into the Extensions tab again, you will be able to find the Read Aloud Text-to-Speech option. Simply click on Open Sidebar. And now all you need to do is select your desired text, choose your desired voice, select the speed and the pitch, and click on the play button.
Retiring early is a dream that many people share, but it can be challenging to achieve.
Retiring early is a dream that many people share, but it can be challenging to achieve.
And there you have it. That is how easy it is to listen to your text on Google Docs. How to lock text on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're logged into your Google account already, then you can just go ahead and create a new document or open your desired document where you want to add locked text. Now since there is no direct option to right-click a text and then click on a lock button, we need to do this in a different way. Click on Insert and then choose Watermark. Now once you have this selected, you will see the watermark option at the right side. Simply click on Text, and now you can insert your desired text. Just go ahead and type in your desired text, and then you can select from various fonts, the size and formatting as well. You can also set up the text orientation and then its transparency level. After setting up all of the options and the placement option as well, you can click on the Done button, and now this will add your locked text as a watermark within your document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add locked text on your Google Docs. How to link a PDF on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to link your PDF, you will need to upload the PDF into your Google Drive. So simply go to your Google Drive account first. And then click on New. From there, click on File Uploads and simply upload your PDF file. Now, once the upload is complete, you can simply right-click on it and select the Share feature. From the Share options, make sure that you select anyone with the link, and then just go ahead and click on Copy Link. Once the link is copied, just go ahead and open up your Google Docs and then open the document in which you want to add your PDF. Simply go over to the section where you want to add the link and then just paste your link. You can tap on the Tab button after pasting your link and it will simply show it as the file name. And now anyone that clicks on this link within your document will be able to access the PDF file. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PDF files with Google. How to edit a link on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs using your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you do this, go ahead and open up any document where you want to edit your link. Now in order to show you an example, let's just go ahead and create a hyperlink. I'm just going to create a hyperlink for the word your. Simply right click on it and click on Insert Link, and you can paste your link in the given box and click on the apply button and your hyperlink will be created. Now as you can see, my link is connected to the word your. Now in order to change this word, I can simply click on the edit link button at the right side, and now I can change the text that is linked to the URL and also the URL itself. You can simply type in your desired text and click on the apply button, and now your link has been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to rename a link on Google Docs. How to rename your bookmarks on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up Google Docs using your desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Once you open it up, you can open your desired document where you want to edit your bookmark. Now, if you want to learn how to create a bookmark, then we already have a video made for you, so you might want to check that one out first. Now here we already have a bookmark that we have created. This is the link that we can click on, which will redirect us to our bookmark. Now since there is no direct option to rename it, you can simply click on the remove button and then rename your title. Then just select it with your cursor and click on insert and bookmark. Now your new bookmark has been renamed. If you go back to the original link, it will also be changed to the new bookmark. And there you have it. That is how you can change the name of your bookmark on Google Docs. How to save on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's just open up the Google Docs using either the desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Now just go ahead and open up any document, and now you can start working on your document. Now as you make your changes and start typing, you can see at the top right menu that it says that it is saving. So this means that no matter whatever change you're making at any point of time inside Google Docs, it will be saved real time into your Google Drive. In case you want to save this manually, you can also click on File and either click on Make a Copy, and this will update your newest version. You can also click on the download option, and from here you will be able to download this particular document in the various format that you can select from. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to save on Google Docs. How to save images from Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Now after you open it up, simply open up the document from which you want to download your image. Once the document is opened up and you see your image, simply click on it and then go ahead and copy this image by either hitting Ctrl+C or right-clicking and clicking on Copy. Now once you have copied your image, simply click on the Insert button at the top menu and then select Drawing. Then click on the New option, and this will take you into the drawing page. Now go ahead and paste the image, and now you can drag this and align it at the center. Once you have aligned your image, simply click on the Actions option at the top left menu and you will find the Download option. Just go ahead and select your desired format, and now this will download your photo to your computer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download an image from Google Docs. How to perform keyword search on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up Google Docs using the desktop shortcut that we created on a previous video or by using your web browser. Now I'm just going to open up a random document on which I can show you how to do keyword search. Now once you open up your document, all you need to do is simply enter Ctrl+F if you're on Windows or the Command F key if you're on Mac. This will then open up the Find in Document pop-up. Now all you need to do is type in the word that you want to find within the entire document. As soon as you type it in, you will see how many of these words that you can find. It will immediately start highlighting the word as well. You can click on the down and the up buttons to find the various sections where this word can be found. You can just type in any word that you want and just click on these down and up buttons on the side, and you will be able to find all of the locations where you can find your mentioned word. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform keyword search on Google Docs. how to highlight on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or your web browser. Now after you open it up, simply open the document where you want to highlight. Once your document is opened up, all you need to do to highlight your text is first of all scroll over and select your desired text. Once you select your desired text to be highlighted, you can click on the Highlight Color menu alongside the text color. Once you click on it, you will be able to select your highlighting color. Simply click on your desired color and it will be highlighted with that color. You can also choose any color that you want to highlight your text in different styles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to highlight your text on Google Docs. How to view your history on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up the document in which you want to view the edit history. Now once the document is opened up, you will be able to find the history button at the top right corner alongside comment history. Simply click on it and now you will be shown the edit history for this particular document. You can click on the different versions of the document, and if you want to restore this version, then simply click on the three dots at the right side and click on Restore this version. You can also make a copy and create a new document by clicking on Make a Copy. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to view your history on Google Docs. How to adjust your zoom level on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our Google Docs application shortcut or by using our web browser. Now let's just go ahead and open up any document where we can zoom in and out. Now once you open up your document, there are two ways by which you can zoom in and out. If you use a mouse with a wheel, then you can simply hold the Control key or the Command key if you're using Mac and then scroll your wheel up or down. If you scroll it down, it will zoom out, and if you scroll it up, it will zoom in. With this, you can adjust your zoom level according to your preference. If you don't have a mouse with a wheel, then you can simply use your trackpad to pinch outward if you want to zoom in and inward if you want to zoom out. Apart from these two methods, you can also use the scale feature alongside your text style drop-down menu. Simply click on the drop-down menu underneath the zoom section and then click on any of the options to set your zoom level. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to zoom in and out on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.